Good morning, guys. In this lecture, we are going to see listing of the SAS dataset. In the last lecture, we have seen how to import a SAS dataset, and we have also imported the grades dataset in the work library. Now just see the dataset is there in the library or not. Go to this libraries, in that my libraries, and go to this work library at the end. When you click on this triangle, now you can see there is no dataset present in this work library. But we have created the dataset in the last lecture, but the dataset is not present here for this instance. This is because the work library is a temporary library. Whatever you stored in this work library, whatever dataset or any content in the work library is get deleted after the session is ended. Like when you end your SAS program, all the content in the work library is get deleted. For now, we'll just quickly import the grades dataset in the same work library. For that, you just have to go to this task and utilities. Same procedure we have explained in the last lecture. In that utilities, double click on this import dataset and just select the dataset you want to import. We'll import the same grades dataset. Click on the dataset and drag and drop to the select file option and just change the name of the dataset to grades. Click on the save option and you have to run this program. So click on this run icon. When you click on this run icon, your dataset is got imported into a SAS dataset. For this you can check into this library section again, libraries, my libraries, and in that work library. Now you can see that the grades dataset is got created, but this is for temporary purpose. We have just imported the dataset. Now we'll see listing of this dataset. So first simplest method to list down the dataset is just go to the library where your dataset is stored. Our dataset is stored in the libraries, in that my libraries, and in my libraries, we have stored the dataset in the work library. And this is our grades dataset. Just double click on the dataset. When you double click, you can see the dataset is listed in the right hand side of the work area. If you want to see the whole data set, you can scroll to the right hand side. Now, and one more thing is that if you want to contrast the data set, you just have to click on any of the column and then right click and choose the second last option, that is size grid columns to content. This will contrast the data set, like it will remove the white space, extra white space present in the variable, in each variable, and you can see the dataset in one frame. So this is the first way to list down the dataset. The simple one, that is you just have to go to the library where it is stored and double click on that dataset. So this is the first way. And the second way is to go to this task and utilities. In that you have to go to this data section. In the data section, you have to double click on the option that is list data. Double click. When you double click, you can see the work area is got split into two halves, in which you have got the code to print the data, that is to list down the data. The code is get automatically created by the SAS. You just have to click on this run icon at the top. Click on this run icon. You can see in the result section, the data set is got listed in the result section, all the variable with all the observations. If you want some of the variable to be showed in this listing section, you just have to mention the list of variable in the roles section. Go to this roles section. You can see here is a plus sign. Click on this plus sign and choose the variable that you want. To choose a single variable, single variables, you just have to hold the control key and select the whichever variable you want. Now I want to select the variable as name, quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3 and quiz 4, and just click on the OK button and click on this run icon again. You can see the change is that the variable we have just selected, these variable are only displayed in this result section. If you want to again select all the variable, same thing, you just have to click on this plus icon and select all remaining variables and click on the OK. Now you can see there is no change. The change is happened when you click on this run icon. Just click on the run icon and see. You can see that all the variable are got listed in this work area. So this is all about listing of the data set. There are two simple methods. You just suppose if your data set is present in any of the library, you just go to that library and double click on the data set. This is the first way. A second way, you just have to go to this task and utilities, in which you have to go list data set, and whichever variable you want, you just have to select the list of variable and click on this run icon. And the data set is listed in the right hand side of the work area. This is all about this video. Till then, keep learning.